Good afternoon, friends. In a surprise editorial note from Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray, there came a support for Sushant Singh Rajput through the Shiv Sena editorial Samana. Uddhav Thackeray has spoken up on actor Sushant Singh Rajput's death after nearly 6 months. The CM of Maharashtra, who is leading his political party, has spoken about Sushant's death and stated that some people are playing dirty politics over it. He shared his viewpoints in Sena's editorial called Samana for the uninformed. Shiv Sena leader Sanjay Raut is the editor of this newspaper. Thackeray was asked about three topics which rocked the nation. So it's Sanjay Raut actually interviewing the chief minister. One being young actor Sushant Singh Rajput's death. The editorial stated that even the Central Bureau of Investigation got involved in Sushant's death case, but soon after Bihar's election, Bihar is Sushant's birthplace, the matter was forgotten. In Kangana's case, a Bombay HC bench comprising of Justice S.J. Katawala and R.I. Chagle quashed the demolition notice sent to actor Kangana Ranaut by Brihaman Mumbai Municipal Corporation dated on September 7th and 9th. Passing the directive, the court observed that the order had malified intent and was premeditated to target her for her tweets and statements. Orders that a valuer is appointed to ascertain damages caused due to demolition. There are materials to indicate that the action of demolition smacks of malefides and would refrain from making findings on malice in fact for want of facts. The two-judge bench of the Bombay HC hearing a writ petition filed by Kangana challenging the demolition of a bungalow by the Mumbai civic body at the behest of the state government. Advising the actor to exercise restraint while airing views on public platform, the court slammed the Uddhav Thackeray government for attempting to stifle the voices of dissent. It opined that it is not befitting for the state government to take malified action against a citizen, however distasteful their views might be. The manner in which the demolition was carried out was unauthorized and sinister to prevent the petitioner from taking a course to legal remedies, observed the court. In a clear case of vendetta, the BMC, acting in accordance with the Maharashtra state government, had on September 9 demolished actor Kangana Ranaut's Mumbai office cum residential bungalow, located at Chetak Row House in Pali Hills, Bandra West. They had claimed that there were several alterations on the premises without the due permission from BMC. The actor had approached the High Court to get a stay on any further action by BMC. On 5th October, the court had concluded the hearing and reserved the decision. And in Arnab Goswami's case, too, there was reason for public to rejoice. The Supreme Court passed an order giving detailed reasons for interim bail granted to Republic TV editor-in-chief Arnab Goswami on November 11th in the abetment to suicide case, and says that prima facie evaluation of FIR lodged by Maharashtra police doesn't establish the charge against him. In a big relief to Republic TV chief Arnab Goswami, the Supreme Court on Friday said that prima facie evaluation of FIR lodged by Maharashtra police does not establish the abetment of suicide charge against him in the 2018 Anvay Naik suicide case. Today, a Supreme Court bench headed by Justice D.Y. Chandrachud and Justice Indira Banerjee pronounced their judgment, giving detailed reasons for the interim bail to Arnab on November 11th in the 2018 Anvay Naik suicide case. The Supreme Court said, as Maharashtra police had failed to establish charges against Arnab Goswami in the suicide case, it was necessary for them to grant bail to Arnab Goswami. The Apex Court said there was prima facie no nexus between the FIR file, slamming the Bombay High Court for its reluctance to grant bail to Arnab Goswami. The Supreme Court bench pointed out that the High Court's out to take a final call on whether FIR should be quashed or not. The Bombay High Court abdicated its constitutional duty as protector of liberty by failing to take prima facie view of the FIR, the SC noted. The apex court also observed that the Bombay High Court has failed to do its duty by disabling itself from exercising its jurisdiction and added that the Bombay High Court should be circumspect in considering the facts of the case, but should not close itself off when considering the denial of liberty of the citizen. The top court also said that the High Courts must exercise its power with caution. One more point the Supreme Court observed was that criminal law should not become a tool for selective harassment of citizens. Justice Chandrachud said that the remedy of a bail is a solemn expression of humaneness in the justice system. We have given expression to our anguish in the case where the citizen has approached the court. He also placed the figures of the National Judicial Data Grid regarding the number of bail applications which are pending. The Chief Justice of every HC, High Court, should utilize the data to ensure equitable access to justice. Liberty is not a gift for a few, the Supreme Court Justice observed. In another case relating to Sushant Singh Rajput's death probe, the accused Karamjit Singh Anand was arrested by the Narcotics Control Bureau in September under provisions of the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act. Special NDPS Court Judge G.B. Gurau granted him bail on a personal bond of Rs 50,000. A Mumbai court on Wednesday granted bail to a suspected drug peddler who was arrested by the NCB in connection with a probe into the drug act. The accused, Karanjit Singh Anand, was arrested in September, and he has now been granted bail on a personal bond of 50,000. Anand has been directed not to leave the country without the court's permission. The court also directed him against tampering with the evidence of investigation going on in the case. The NCB has earlier told the court that Anand appears to be a major player in drug syndicate active in Bollywood and high society. Thank you, friends.